Highway to nowhere may be headed somewhere after all, but not without the help from the West Baltimore community. WMAR 2 News' Janae Wright attended a workshop this afternoon. Janae, it's been 50 years. It's gone by with no real progress in this part. What's different now?
Well, Jamie, one major difference is the financial support that the project has. Almost a year ago, the Department of Transportation was awarded a $2 million grant from the federal government. Now, the money, along with future funding and planning, may finally lead somewhere.
Trying to repair for damages of the last 50+ years.
And in order to do so, Baltimore's Department of Transportation is seeking help from the people in West Baltimore to transform the highway to nowhere into something good for the community. Thursday night, West Baltimore United and the Department of Transportation held its workshop asking for the community's help.
One thing, I want to see some homes brought back. Okay, we're going to do low income. I don't have a problem with that.
Stuart Sirota says the community feedback is just the first phase of the project.
We're just asking for the broadest array of ideas right now in this early kind of stage of the project.
The plan is to finalize the project and prepare for construction by 2026. State officials are also optimistic about the new project. Congressman Kweisi Mfume saying, "I, alongside my colleagues in the Team Maryland congressional delegation, worked very hard securing the planning grant, and I expect the grant will be acted on sooner rather than later. It is my hope that this community does not have to continue to live under uncertainty regarding the highway to nowhere." Governor Moore also expressing optimism in a statement saying, in part, quote, "With West Baltimore United, Baltimore City is leading the effort to advance this critical infrastructure project to reimagine the highway to nowhere, improving connectivity and transportation options." However, not everyone is excited. Thelma Terrell, who has been living in West Baltimore all her life, says she would like to actually see the work underway instead of just talking about it.
Stuff like this makes me laugh. It makes me laugh because when I look at like I said, the whole reality of it, it's just totally ridiculous. Because I know just how far it's going.
She's not optimistic about the project because she says it should have been done years ago. And if you missed tonight's workshop and still want to be involved in the remaking of the highway to nowhere, West Baltimore United and the Department of Transportation are hosting their workshop on Saturday, February 10th. You can find more information about the next workshop on our website, WMAR2news.com.